Good morning and welcome to Amazon Prime Days. Christmas in July is here and it is time to shop. Hey y'all and welcome. If you're new here, I'm Christi, the Gen X Gypsy, helping you to travel better so you can focus on creating unforgettable memories. And today, July 12th, kicks off 2 days of savings with Amazon Prime. Now, if you are new to the Amazon Prime Days, it is a sale, a big sale that Amazon puts on every year for its Prime members. If you're not a Prime member yet, they are offering a 30-day free trial, and I have a link below that you can click on and sign up for that free trial so you can take advantage of all of the sales that are going to be happening over the next 2 days. Now, I do want to apologize. I know I sound incredibly stuffy. I've been trying to get over the summer cold for the past week or so, and hopefully I'm on the recovering end of it. But yeah, I'm a little hoarse, got a little froggy stuff going on in my throat, and I'm gonna try to get through this video for you so that you can have an idea of some things that maybe you should be looking for during the Amazon Prime sale days. Now, what I like to use Amazon Prime Days for are to look for those big ticket items that maybe I've had on my wish list for a really long time, or to maybe pick up some Christmas and birthday gifts that I want to give for the rest of the year. It's just a really great time to look for especially big ticket items that you can get for a screaming deal. Now, I do want to encourage you to be responsible shoppers and not just pick up stuff because it happens to be on sale, but look for items that you really, really want or need to have, or things that you know the people that you love and are going to be buying gifts for in the future want or need to have. Think about that as you are pursuing all of the sale items. Today, I thought what I would share is my big wish list of things, because we don't really know what exactly is going to be on sale during Amazon Prime Days, and they will have things for sale during the 2 days, but then they'll throw in these lightning sales that'll last only a few hours, and they only have limited numbers of items. So you'll want to be looking for those super lightning sales too. Let's get started with my first item. And the thing that I have been dying to get is a drone. And I really, really, really like the DJI Mini 3 drone. However, it is a new product and I'm not sure that they'll have that on sale, but they might have the DJI Mini 2 on sale, which I think would probably serve my purposes as well as the 3 would. And I think that I might be able to get it for a lot less. I'm all about getting technology for a little bit less than full price. Aren't we all? The next item on my wish list is a really nice set of noise canceling headphones like the Beats. It would be really nice on those long red-eye flights to have something that could cancel out, well, let's say some chatty neighbors, or perhaps children that aren't really happy to be on that plane. Anything to help cut down on the noise and maybe give me a little bit more rest during the red eyes, or at least be able to not have to listen to noises you don't want to have to listen to. The third item on my list is another suitcase. I know, you probably think you must have a lot of suitcases, and I do. I have like 5 or 6 suitcases. The problem is that I either have carry-on size suitcases or I have the extra large suitcases. I need like a regular size checked suitcase, something that's a little bit bigger than the carry-on size that will fit enough stuff, but also it's going to be a checked size. And I've been looking at the Away and the Mono suitcases for a while. So I am going to look and see what other suitcases are out there that I might be able to get that are on sale that are about that same level. But the Away is the one that I've really been having my eye on. So I'm hoping that maybe they might be on sale during these Amazon Prime Days. And fourth on my list is a new product coming out by Tripped. Tripped is the company, the travel company that I really love that makes my compression packing cubes. And their products are so well made and so well thought out that I can't wait to get a hold of this new product that they have coming out, which is an extra large toiletry bag. Tim and Finn are on YouTube, and they have their own channel for their travel vlogs and stuff, and I love following them. But they've also created this Tripped product line, and I'm excited to see the new toiletry bag that they have coming out. It's supposed to be really, really useful, and it's a great size for holding all of the things that you actually need your toiletry bag to be able to hold. It won't be out until the second day of Prime, so come back and take a look at that when it drops, and it should be a pretty good price. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. My fifth item is another waterproof speaker. I have a larger JBL waterproof speaker that I love, but it's a little on the large side to actually take on most trips. So I want more of a travel size waterproof Bluetooth speaker that I can take with me that maybe would even fit in my backpack to take along hiking. Like here in Alaska, it'd be nice to have a Bluetooth speaker to play music while I'm out hiking because it helps scare bears away. I know I'm not usually a big fan of people listening to music while they're hiking because you're out in the wilderness and you kind of want to hear the wilderness sounds. But when bears are involved, I'm much more of an encourager of listening to music while you're out hiking. So another smaller travel size waterproof speaker is on my list. The next two items are things that I actually need to get replaced. They're things that I already have, but I've had them for so long that they're kind of nearing the end of their life cycle. And the first is a Kindle. Now, Amazon does a great job of putting their own products on sale during the Amazon Prime days. So getting a new Kindle is probably a really, really good thing to get during Amazon Prime days. They'll have those on super duper sale. And my Kindle is probably close to 10 years old. It was one of the first ones out there. It's been well used and well loved. I love my Kindle. It's time for a new one. And then the second product that it's time for a replacement is my Fitbit. I have had this Fitbit for probably 4 or 5 years now, and it's starting to not really charge very well and some other things. So I'm going to look and see if there's some options for that. I do think that Amazon might have their own product that's sort of like a Fitbit. I probably should have done some research on that before I started filming this video, but well, we'll take a look around and see what's there. And I really like the Fitbit. It works great for me for what I need it for, which is basically tracking my steps. And recently I've been tracking my resting heart rate as a way to kind of see how my physical fitness is doing and trying to see if I can get that number down. But that's a subject for another day. That is my wish list for these Amazon Prime days. What's on your wish list, or what's something that you did end up buying during this year's Amazon Prime days? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you are interested in any of my other Amazon travel essentials or travel gift guides, check out this playlist next. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.